Winners Capsule. Today we will discuss some important questions in general medicine which will be useful for those who are preparing for NEET MDS or Assistant Dental Surgeon exams. If you are watching our channel for the first time, kindly watch completely, share and don't forget to subscribe. And for notifications, kindly press the bell icon. Let's move on to the first question. Hepatitis E infection spreads by A. Fecal-oral route, B. Parenteral, C. Blood transfusion and D. Rectal. Answer is option A. Fecal-oral route. Hepatitis A and hepatitis E spread by fecal-oral route, whereas hepatitis B, hepatitis C and hepatitis D spread by parenteral route. Moving to the second question. Leukopenia occurs in the following except A. Measles, B. Viral hepatitis, C. Typhoid and D. Bacterial endocarditis. Answer is option D. Bacterial endocarditis. What is leukopenia? It is the decrease in the number of leukocytes or the white blood cells. What are the causes of leukopenia? Leukopenia can occur in viral infections such as cold or influenza. It can also occur in protozoal infections. Leukopenia is also associated with chemotherapy, radiotherapy, typhoid, renal failure, HIV, AIDS, then cancer or malaria. It's also caused by deficiency of some minerals such as copper and zinc. Moving to the third question. Herpes virus is A. DNA virus, RNA virus, RNA and DNA virus, partially DNA and partially RNA. Herpes virus is a DNA virus. Option A is the right answer. We'll have a brief discussion on some of the DNA virus. DNA virus include pox viridae. Example for pox viridae is smallpox. Then herpes viridae, adenoviridae, papaver, hepatena. Example for hepatena is hepatitis B. Moving to RNA virus, it includes picornaviridae, then orthomyxoviridae, paramyxoviridae, rioviridae, retroviridae, togaviridae, rhabdoviridae, flaviviridae, calciviridae. So these are some of the examples of DNA virus and RNA virus. So herpes virus is a DNA virus. Moving to the fourth question. Scrofula is a tuberculosis of skin, lymph node, spine, lungs. Answer is option B, lymph node. Scrofula, it is the direct extension of tuberculous infection from underlying focus like lymph node, bone or muscle. TB of spine is known as Pott's disease, and whereas TB of lungs is pulmonary tuberculosis. Then tuberculous infection of skin is known as lupus vulgaris. It's also known as tuberculous luposa. These are painful cutaneous tuberculous skin lesion with nodular appearance. Mostly it occurs on the face, around the nose, eyelid, lips, cheeks, ears and neck. This is the most common Mycobacterium tuberculosis skin infection. So, scrofula is a tuberculosis of lymph node. Moving to the fifth question. Which of the following drug act against Pseudomonas? A. Nafcillin, B. Cloxacillin, C. Methicillin and D. Piperacillin. The drug which is effective against Pseudomonas is piperacillin. Option D is the correct answer. Carboxypenicillins which include ticaracillin and uridopenicillins which include the piperacillin are effective against Pseudomonas. Sixth one. In AIDS, there is deficiency of which cell? CD2, CD3, CD4, CD8. Answer is option C, CD4. A primary pathogenic mechanism in AIDS occurs due to the damage caused by CD4 cells and T lymphocytes. So, the number of T cells is decreased and the T4-T8 ratio is reversed. The functions of monocyte, macrophages, natural killer cells and glial cells, which all contain CD4 antigen, is also affected. So in AIDS there is deficiency of CD4 cells. Seventh one, CSF glucose levels are normal in which type of meningitis? A. Viral, B. Pyogenic, C. Tubercular, D. Carcinomatous. Answer is option A. Viral. In viral meningitis, the glucose and protein content is normal. CSF with raised protein and low glucose. It is seen in tubercular meningitis, bacterial meningitis and malignant meningitis. Going to the 8th question. Chickenpox rash appears in the second day of illness, appears on the trunk first, lesions at all stages of development seen. Option D, all of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above. Chickenpox is caused by varicella zoster virus. It is a dermotropic and neurotropic virus. It is characterized by vesicular eruption and new lesions occurs every 2 to 4 days with associated fever. Moving to the 9th question. Koplik's spot are seen in rubella, chickenpox, smallpox, measles. Koplik spots are seen in measles. Option D is the right answer. Mainly the spots occurs on the buccal mucosa. We'll have a brief discussion on some of the spots. Forscher's spot are seen in rubella and mainly occurs on the soft palate. Rhodes spot seen in infective endocarditis mainly affect the eye. Then Rose spot occurs in typhoid. Herbadon spot is seen in osteoarthritis. Bitot spot is seen in vitamin A deficiency which mainly affect the eye. So, Koplik spots are seen in measles. Moving to the 10th question. Which of the following is not characteristic of congenital syphilis? A. Gons complex, B. Interstitial keratitis, C. Mulberry molars and D. Notched incisors. The feature which is absent in congenital syphilis is Gons complex. Option A is the right answer. Let's see the clinical features of congenital syphilis. Hutchinson's triad. Hutchinson's triad include hypoplastic incisors and molars, then interstitial keratitis and eighth nerve deafness. This is most important feature of congenital syphilis. The other features include saddle nose, hypoplastic maxilla, salt and pepper scars on retina, then radiating scars around mouth, nose and anus, bossing of frontal and parietal bones. What is Gons complex? Gons complex is the Gons focus with regional lymph node involvement. Gons focus is subpleural focus in primary TB. So thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we'll discuss some more important questions in general medicine field. If you found this video useful, kindly subscribe. Thank you.